So as next we have to come gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search key, then you have to type your model number Z890 and master AI2, then hit enter. After you can see here product, click to product. After that click to icon, this title, just single click. After that you can see here new tab open automatically. After that you click on support. So you can see drive OS, you can select all, otherwise you can Windows 10 and 11. So audio driver, click to download, wait few seconds to start automatically here. After that single click to open this, then double click to setup. Now this is extract data, to click on yes. You can see here now this is installing by the cmd command. Wait few seconds, it will install automatically. So now this is completed, then close it.